Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by adding your physical or virtual card into Google Wallet. This is the only way to use the wallet card for tap payments. First, unlock your Android device and enable NFC. This enables contactless transmission. Once done, open Google Wallet, tap Add, select Payment Card, and enter your card number, expiry, CVC, and billing ZIP, or scan the card to save time. Make sure the name and billing address match the bank's records to avoid verification delays. Next, verify the card with the bank's chosen method. You may receive an SMS code, email link, or an in-app challenge from your bank. Enter the code or approve the request. This proves ownership and activates the card for payments. Then, in Wallet Settings, set the newly added card as default for tap and pay so terminals use it automatically. Also add a backup payment option in case of network or issuer declines. That keeps transactions smooth in busy stores. To pay, wake your phone and hold it close to the terminal's contactless pad until you feel a vibration or hear a chime. Do not swipe a card. Once completed, open Wallet to confirm the transaction and cross-check with your bank app for cleared charges. If a payment is declined, first toggle NFC off and on, then restart the phone and retry. If problems persist, rerun the verification in Wallet or contact your issuer. Most failures are verification, network, or terminal compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.